We can actually fix this when we say no, we can't do it. Okay, what we can do to fix it from you know, from it going diagonally, like it can go well, right? It looks nice, but then it starts to bug. I think we can fix this by just going to move forward. I know, actually in the event we clear all the other timers, but if you clear the timers of move forward, move backward, left and right in each single one, you're gonna end up limiting your player's movement, and that's actually an important topic with game design. I mean, with just programming itself, you have ability and you have bugs. The more abilities you have, the more bugs you have. The less abilities, the less bugs. And right now we're gonna try to have less bugs and less ability to see what happens. Move backwards, move left, and then move right. So now the player is gonna be limited into just pressing one button at a time. You can't press two buttons at a time because of that function. Actually, no, never mind, because that'll still cause that problem. We'll still do it just to show people what it looks like. Oops. Damn it. I know this is not gonna work, but we'll still do it just to show people. So you see, I have to press one button at a time for it to go. And it has to be very slowly. Let's try to say the following. So we have move right. You can have it to where it's going right. If you press right, and then move left. It's going what you pressed last time. So that way we can compensate for it being so bad by just having it go the last thing you press. Let's see what that does. W. See, now it's less like it's smoother, and you can see how it's just going. You have to kind of press it at the same time. You can't press it at different times. Still has that issue, but you just have to press it once and it's moving on its own. I don't like the turn rate, it's too slow. So move forward. So it's all about a matter of preferences and you coming to a compromise with your skills. And like just don't dream big, you know, dream enough to where you get to what you want. You don't need, like, I know this isn't perfect, you know, but if it does the job I want it to do, I'll keep it. Move backward, move left. Oh, I messed up here. No, wait, I mean, this should be that. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm gonna change the delta time to 0.5. I'm trying to make the turning faster. Yep, way better on my end. If you like it where it's changing slower, that's your preference, you can do that. It doesn't matter.